Welcome friend, after a long time I am back in my channel. Sorry to say, this is the outside part of the boiler. Now we entered inside of the boiler. This is our gas fire boiler. It is a good opportunity and it is good time for our that we can enter into the inside of our boiler. This is the generally gas fire boiler. 3 and 4 number of gas are used for burning purpose. This is internal details of our boiler. First we go to the corner. Here 4 number of corner are available. Each corner contains IR, UV scanner and 4 number of damper are available as a fuel conditions. You are seeing this surrounding closed by the riser tubes of the boiler. You are one riser tube, number of together riser tubes joined together and create a square type and closed chamber type compartment type is you are seeing. This is the hanging tubes. This is the hanging tube parts, generally flattened separator, de-separated hanging tube, final separator hanging tubes you are watching. This is the very interesting part and interesting design part internal of the boiler. You are seeing surrounding. You are again see surrounding part. One by one I am giving the total internal details and entered details to you. Please kindly watch my video very carefully and listen to my words. These are the hanging tubes. In this hanging tube, the steam heated and temperature at 450 degrees centigrade. This boiler capacity, gas fire boiler capacity has 80 ton per hour. Here the steam goes through the flattened separator and de-separator part as required temperature control, and finally steam goes to the final separator, and then output of the boiler and the steam deposited in the header of the boiler. This is the corner, gas fire corner. Middle is one gun and 4 fuel are used. First is for startup burning purpose LDO used, and startup fuel here CBM, coal bed methane, COG, coke oven gas, and main fuel used as a blast furnace gas BFG. You are seeing each corner contain similar design. Each corner contain one IR scanner and detect the LDO flame, and UV scanner which detect the COG, CBM, BFG flames, and 2 numbers of flame scanner here attached respect to each corner. A design specification and design architecture and each corner you are seeing, and each corner and each fuel coming air mix and fuel coming out into the burner. This is the right internal design of the gas fire boiler you are seeing, friend. Again I am saying, again I am showing the video you are watching carefully. Very interesting part. Those are employees working in a project area. They can able to see the manufacturing process and internal details part. Those are working in a running industry of the boiler and power plant. They cannot able to see this kind of internal details. So this is very helpful for employees. This is very helpful for The students, this is the design of the riser tube. The lower part all riser tube connected to lower drum, upper part all are connected to the upper drum. The drum are attached in the outside of the boiler and is attached. The maintenance is going on. This is due to this platform here attached. You are seeing the riser tube, how riser tube one by one connected serially, how manufacturing design and construction internal architecture given. You are seeing and also seeing the platen separator, de-separator and final separator hanging tubes. Riser tubes, between the riser tube and hanging tube there is a window. Through this window burning flue gas goes to the economizer. Here the all process heat exchange is inside. Water is remain inside the riser tube. Water is heated and converted to steam, and again the steam is heated at place of hanging tubes, platen separator, de-separator and final separator tubes, and finally it goes to the header of the boiler and piston. This is very interesting video, friend. Don't miss our video. Next upcoming video will be internal part, and I will try to give, and at least you can understand at home how boiler construction is in internal of the boiler. Because I am giving this kind of video because in our plant preventive maintenance and boiler maintenance going on. Due to this, shutdown is in our boiler, and so I can able to give this kind of video and arrange, and as possible as I intimate details I try to give. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you.